I forget. One second, waiting for your friends a few seconds, okay? I'll look for my glasses. One sec. I just use it in the morning. Can you see it? From upstairs? I just use it. I don't know where it went.
The blue glasses.
The black one.
I want red ones. I think it's my red ones.
I want to use the red one.
So they're small. Use the blue
Oh,
one.
right here. Ah, thank God.
Blue one.
You can use that. I don't want it.
It's for kids again because it's small.
It's not small. It's probably help protect the wind blowing the ice. All right. Sorry about that. Was trying to find the glasses. I try to admit them all. Last time we were studying about the cave painting, right? So where is the cave that we have studied? Where is the Lascaux cave? Where's Lascaux cave?
Let me open it. There's people coming.
That's all right. From last time that we have studied about the cave painting, can anyone tell me where's this cave that we have studied? Where's the cave? Anyone? Which country? We are looking at the Lascaux caves in France, okay? That is in France, the Lascaux caves. So that's about 1700 years old. And what did they use? The Stone Age people, what did they use to do? What did they use to paint? What did they use to paint? What did they use to paint with? Is that a brush? Is it a brush? Did they have brushes back in the Stone Age? Wait, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So what did they use the brush? Did they have the brush back in the day at the Stone Age? No.
Oh.
What did they use? What did they
They
use?
use bone, feather.
Very good. They used bones, feathers, and sticks. And it was use it. All right. So here on the track on the same page, everyone turn to the class book and turn to page 18. Page 18. Here is the all the list of animals that they paint in the cave. Some of them still here, except for mammoth. A mammoth is extinct, just like dinosaur. We doesn't have mammoth anymore. No more mammoths. But we still have a bison. Do you know mammoth? It's like elephant with hair
Oh, I know.
and a long trunk, long tusks here. Used to be really, really big. Look at his tusks, really big. I don't know what caused them to extinct, but it would be awesome. I think they're bigger than elephant,
Yeah, well, I'm huge in that elephant, I think.
bigger or more huge, not huger. Okay,
Huge.
right. Where are we now? Okay, now I'm gonna play the track and you can listen and repeat after.
Listening 1.33. Look, listen, and repeat. Deer, bull,
Bull here.
goat,
Goat,
mammoth,
mammoth,
bison,
mammoth, bison,
rhino,
rhino. Good. All these animals we still can see from the zoo, but except for mammoths, we'll see it in a museum instead because there's no more mammoths. Right, right. Everyone take out your activity book. What's that? Take out your activity book and
teacher.
1 second. Page 18. Okay, page 18. It says the discovery of the Lascaux caves. Can you find the page? Discovery of the Lascaux caves. So these are the story about 4 boys back in 1940. How long ago was that? 80 years ago when they discovered the cave. That was 80 years ago. 4 boys discovered the cave, and here is the verb in the box that you have to pick it to complete the story. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to finish the story. Feel free to ask me any question. Those who just got in, okay, just wait for your friends a few seconds. Those who just got in, we are on what is it? Page 18. The activity book, page 18. We try to complete the story about how the Lascaux cave is being discovered. Let me know when you finish. I'd like you to try it by yourself first because mistake makes you remember. If you just copying it down, you won't know a thing. Are you finished? Finished? Yes? But picture time. Sorry. Let me take the picture one bit. Okay, let's give out the answers. One day in 1940, four boys went for a walk with the dog. The dog saw a rabbit. He what? Down the hole. He
Went down the
Yes.
hole.
He went down a hole. The boys
Followed the dog
yes followed the dog and
and saw
entered,
it.
right? And entered a cave. It was dark and they
Couldn't see anything.
they couldn't see anything. They
They
they returned, right? They returned with the teacher the next day. They had torches and they what?
saw
Yes, they saw paintings of animals on the cave wall. Now people all around the world,
is this the
yes, visit the caves and it's
and
amazing prehistoric art, right? So it is, there we go. Those who just got in, we are doing the activity book, page 18, lesson 9, okay? These are the stories about how they discovered the cave painting, the Lascaux cave in France. What I'm circling here, whoops, sorry. This is the story that happened in the past, right? Happened in the past. That why they're using went, saw, followed, entered, couldn't, return, had, saw, right? And over here in the green circle, they talk about present. In present tense, we don't need, and you know, we don't change the form of verb. And people are plural. People is plural. So we're using visit, no S or nothing, and it's present because we can see now people. Back in the day, that was like, you know, in the past, like 80 years ago. 80 years ago. Do you understand how we use past simple and past and present simple? You can use it in the same article. It depends on how you like to tell your story. Do you understand?
yes.
Okay. Do you have any question? No, right? Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next page. Oh, this one. This one, it says to complete the crossword. Complete the crossword. So we'll do it together. Just 1 second.
You can find the answer on CD page 18.
Okay. Oh. Those who just got in here, we are on page 18 and we're doing lesson 9 on the exercise 2. So this one, right? Look at this. This is a, what is it? know what it is?
Pen.
Yes, this is a handprint. I might as well just write it here.
I know it. Similar word. I know what to say. I don't want to
What? Cave artists live in the, what is it?
In the Stone Age.
Yes, in the Stone Age. Don't put it here.
ROCK.
Right.
Name of the dog.
Okay. Number 3, cave artists didn't use brushes. They used sticks, feathers, and
Bone.
yes,
Bone.
and bones. Sorry.
มันคืออะไร
Whoops, sorry.
ล็อก
Number 4, they made paint with powdered what? How do they make? They make paint with powder rock, powder rocks, powder rock and water.
โลบอน
Number 5,
Number 5
there aren't any cave paintings in
Austin.
what continent that doesn't have any cave paintings? Do you know the continents that they don't have the cave paintings?
Amos.
It's Antarctica. Okay.
Leo.
You remember Antarctica?
Yes, it's very cool.
Yes, it's very cold.
Robot. About.
Got it?
Robot.
So what was the name of the dog in the Lascaux cave story?
Robot. Robot. Robot.
Yeah, Robot. They named the dog Robot.
Robot.
Next one is for you to listening and said which picture. Okay. This one is in the student book. Take out your student book again and turn to page 19. Page 19. Okay, everyone, are you on page 19? Sorry, yes, on page 19, right? Yes? All right, now let's hear the story.
Listening 1.34. Listen and say which picture. Number 1.
Look at this picture. Is it an elephant? No. Look. It's got hair and very long tusks. Oh, it's a mammoth. And what are the other animals? They've got horns. I think they're goats.
Right. So, which picture are they talking about? A, B, C, D, E, F. Which one?
C. C.
Picture
C.
C. Good. Picture C. C cat.
Number 2. This is my favorite picture.
Why?
Because it's got lots of horses. I love horses.
What about these animals? They aren't horses.
No, they aren't. They're goats.
Right.
Picture E.
Which picture they're talking about? Did you catch that? It's picture F. Okay, picture F. Let me write it down first.
Let's go on.
Next one.
Number 3.
I like this picture. Me too. I think the big animal's a bull. What's the red animal? I think it's a bison. Oh, look. There are some deer too.
Okay. Number 3. Which picture?
Picture A.
B. Sorry, picture B. What are we running out of time? Oh, sorry. Number 2. Picture B. Okay. And then next one.
Number 4.
What can you see here? Well, there's a white bull with spots.
And what are the other 2 animals?
I think they're horses, but I'm not sure.
Okay, which picture? Number 4.
Picture D.
Picture E. Picture E. One's number 4. 2 more, 2 more.
Number 5.
Look at these. What are they? I don't know. They're very fat, and they've got horns. I think they're rhinos. Oh, I think you're right.
They're very fat.
D.
So which picture? Only 2 left. Picture
D.
D. Good.
D.
So don't worry, I'll play the audios for you again. Okay, the last one.
Fat man.
It's picture A, right?
Number 6.
This is a beautiful picture.
What is it? Is it a bull or is it a bison?
I think it's a bison.
Right. We got a little time left, so I'd like to play the audios again, and I'd like you to look now that you know that number 1 is picture C, number 2 F, number 3 B, number 4 E, number 5 D, and number 6 A. So I'd like you to look at each picture and listen to their descriptions.
Listening 1.34. Listen and say which picture. Number 1.
Look at this picture. Is it an elephant? No. Look. It's got hair and very long tusks. Oh, it's a mammoth. And what are the other animals? They've got horns. I think they're goats.
Number 2. This is my favorite picture.
Why?
Because it's got lots of horses. I love horses.
What about these animals? They aren't horses.
No, they aren't. They're goats. Number 3.
I like this picture. Me too. I think the big animal's a bull. What's the red animal? I think it's a bison. Oh, look. There are some deer too.
I can't even see a deer.
Number 4.
What can you see here? Well, there's a white bull with spots.
And what are the other 2 animals?
I think they're horses, but I'm not sure.
Number 5.
Look at these. What are they?
I don't know. They're very fat and they've got horns.
I think they're rhinos.
Oh, I think you're right.
Number 6.
This is a beautiful picture.
What is it? Is it a bull or is it a bison?
I think it's a bison.
Right. EQ, do you have any question? You raise your hand.
No.
No, okay. All right, we're running out of time and this is it for today. And don't forget to come in for tomorrow class as well. All right, tomorrow we're gonna wrap it up, the whole unit 2, and then get ready for the test next week. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can leave it in your Google Classroom. Okay, I'll try my best to answer, but you can also contact me through Line also. All right. All right, that is it for today. I will see you again tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Goodbye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.